Hello, Matthew. Good morning. I hope you had a good night's sleep and are ready to work on IEP goals 5, 6, and 7. So the first goal we're going to go over is goal number 5, and it says Matthew will visit a local fire department with school/parents to learn about fire safety and fire station procedures. So we're going to learn about fighters, Matthew, just in case being a firefighter is in your mind. If that is an option for you, we are going to help you learn more about it. Even though we cannot go to a fire station, which would have been super cool to see everything and learn everything they do, we can learn about it by worksheets or watching videos for now. So here is it's a page telling us a little bit about fire safety. So here is a helmet. Firefighters wear it on their heads. This is a ladder. Firefighters use this to rescue people from fires. And here is a fire truck. Firefighters drive in a fire truck. And this is a hose. Firefighters spray water from a hose to put out a fire. And here it's just telling you what should you do if your clothes are on fire, and you should stop, drop, and roll. And what should you do if you are in a building on fire? You get low and you go. So for goal number 5, this is a worksheet we're going to be working on today. It is called Fire Safety Education Video Beep. So if you do not have it, do not worry. Just write down the questions and answers in a piece of paper. For this particular assignment, Matthew, we're going to see a video, and in the video is where we're going to find the answers. So let me I'm going to work on 1 and 2 with you, and you will work on the rest on your own. I'm going to put the video that we will be seeing so we can answer 1 and 2 together. So question number 1, Matthew, says, what is round, white, and warns you of smoke? So I'm going to put the questions on the side. That way, when we are watching the video, we can answer the questions as we go. So the first one is, what is round, white, and warns you of smoke? So let's see the video.
Today we're going to learn about fire safety.
Did someone say fire safety?
Hey, who are you?
My name is Frankie. I'm your local fire hall.
Are you going to help us learn about fire safety?
You bet. And I have some friends who will come along to help us out. Are you ready to start?
For sure.
Let's start with the riddle. The most important thing that can keep you safe at home is sometimes the most quiet. It's round and white, and it warns you when there's smoke. Does anyone know what it might be?
Ooh, I know. It's a smoke alarm.
That's right, kids.
So what is round, white, and warns you of smoke, Matthew? Yes, a smoke alarm. So that's what we're going to write right here. A smoke alarm. Now the next question says, where should you have smoke detectors. So let's continue watching the video so we can find out.
Come with us. My friend Alerta, the smoke alarm, will teach us all we need to know.
Hi, my name is Alerta. I'm a smoke alarm. My job is to warn you when there is smoke in your home. I let off a loud and shout at the top of my lungs. When you hear me go, you know there is smoke around, and where there's smoke, there could be fire. There should be at least one smoke alarm on every floor of your home. Ask your mom or dad to...
So number 2 says, where should you have smoke detectors? So where should you have them, Matthew? Yes. In every... It says, where should you have smoke detectors? So in every floor in your house. So if you have a two-story house, how many smoke detectors should you have? 2, yes. The bigger your house, the more floors your house has, the more smoke detectors you should have. Yes. So now, Matthew, you're going to do the rest on your own. I will link down the video in the bottom. But the video is called Fire Safety Education Video. But I will link it down below. So do not worry. And you're going to use this video to answer the questions. So now we're going to go over goal number 6, and it says, by the end of the 27 weeks with parental schools support, Matthew will tour his top 3 department stores of interest. And for this week, we are going to be talking about H-E-B. So let's go find the H-E-B worksheet. I will have this linked in the bottom. I will have the worksheet in the bottom, so don't you not worry. That way you can have a bigger picture of it. So I will do number 1 with you, and you will do the rest on your own. So on the top it says H-E-B benefits. Value Partner Perks cards. We appreciate all that our partners do. That's why, as a Value Partner Perks member, you'll enjoy a 10% discount on all H-E-B owned brand products. Plus, enjoy additional offers and special savings throughout the year. Average H-E-B hourly pay ranges from approximately $9.36 per hour for front-end associates to $21.89 per hour for diesel technicians. The average H-E-B salary ranges from approximately $18,485 per year for cashiers or baggers to $90,109 per year for operation associate. At H-E-B, you get paid weekly. H-E-B requires a worker, I'm sure that's supposed to say worker, to wear shirt and jeans, black or tan pants, and shorts during the summer if you are a bagger. Showtime partners wear all black. All jackets, sweaters, and caps must be H-E-B brand. Specified red H-E-B uniform with jeans, black, or khaki pants. So now question number 1, Matthew, it says, how much discount do you get as an employee on all H-E-B brand items? or products. I will give you a minute to think about it. How much discount do you get? Yes, Matthew, you get 10%. Oh, you get a 10% discount. So that's what we are going to write right here. 10%. Now you will work on the rest on your own. You can find the answers right here in this paragraph. Now we will be working on goal number 7, and we will be following a picture recipe. So since we can't cook, we can totally read about a recipe and answer questions on it. And today's recipe is going to be a cookie recipe. So let's get these worksheets. So Matthew, we're going to be reading this recipe right here to answer these questions right here. If you do not have them, it is okay. I will put them down in Teams, and you can write it in a piece of paper. So this recipe for this week is a cookie recipe, and it says melt in your mouth cookies. The ingredients: you need 100 grams of unsalted butter, slightly softened, 125 grams of golden caster sugar, 1 large free-range egg, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 200 grams of self-raising flour, 1 pinch of fine sea salt, 100 grams of quality chocolate. Use a mixture of milk chocolate and dark chocolate if you like. And now the steps, it says, preheat the oven to 170 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Number 2, line 2 baking trays with grease-proof paper. Step number 3, beat the butter and the sugar in a large bowl until pale and creamy. 4, add the egg and the vanilla and then mix well. 5, stiff in and fold through the flour and salt. 6, roughly chop and stir in the chocolate. 7, roll tablespoons of dough into balls and place onto the line trays. 8, cover and chill in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. 9, flatten the balls slightly with your fingers, then place in the hot oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until lightly golden. Make sure you don't overdo them. The chewier the better. And 10, leave to cool completely, then serve with a glass of cold milk. So now we're going to answer the questions using this right here. I will be doing question number 1 with you, and you will work on the rest on your own, Matthew. So number 1 says, which ingredient is not needed? So A, salt, B, sugar, C, water, D, chocolate. So let's go up here where it says ingredients and find which one is not here. So then we look here, and the answer is letter what, Matthew? Yes, it's letter C, water. They did not mention water. They did mention salt. They mentioned sugar. They mentioned chocolate. However, they did not mention water. So yes. So now, Matthew, you will work on the rest on your own. If you have any questions or need any help, please feel free to reach out. I am here to help. You can always contact one of the teachers, whether it's me or Mr. Salinas. We're here to help. But all the answers should be in this recipe right here. I hope you have a good rest of your day. And don't forget to submit your picture. Bye!